Hello, my name is Lara Winchester. Myself and my husband have been students of Ronovationz for about 1.5 years now, and we had a few properties before we joined, and one of the reasons why we joined was to speed up our property investing journey, and it certainly has done that. It's given us the kick in the backside that we absolutely needed, and otherwise we would have just been sitting on the sidelines and just waiting and seeing what happens with the market. So very pleased that we have joined, and it's also awesome to meet like-minded people, people that you inspire you, and you think, wow, you know, if they can do it, then I can absolutely do it too. And it's also a proven investment strategy that works. We had invested all over Auckland and outside Auckland, but had no proper strategy. But this is a proven investment strategy, and it's been tried, and it does work for sure. So we're absolutely pleased, and the coaches are amazing. Our coach is Lynn, and she's absolutely awesome on the ball, and just a general all-round awesome person. So hope to, we'll be continuing for as long as I can. And the whole goal is to become financially independent, so I don't have to work for anybody, and I make the rules. Just that freedom of time, basically, buy back my time. That's what it's all about at the end of the day. Yeah.